Today, over 500,000 earloop face masks arrived at a warehouse in Newark, Delaware, the first of 4 shipments of personal protective equipment that hopes to provide some relief for healthcare workers on the front lines of the coronavirus pandemic here in Delaware.
The 3 million that are coming next week are earloop masks. I also have, I think, 500,000 N95s coming next week as well.
George Gianforcaro is the president of IndutexUSA, a company that manufactures and sells protective garments such as high-end hazmat suits. Since the beginning of March, Gianforcaro has facilitated the sale and shipment of over 20 million protective masks to hospitals, care centers, and state agencies across the country, pulling on a network of manufacturers and distributors he has built in his 25 years in the business.
You're on the Delaware Bridge. Okay. All right, very good.
A longtime Delawarean whose wife is a nurse at a children's hospital in Wilmington, Gianforcaro decided he needed to find a way to ensure a majority of these masks are sold and distributed right here in his home state.
I was excited when George Gianforcaro, a dear friend of more than 20 years, called to say, I've got a warehouse here in Newark, Delaware, where there's literally millions of earloop masks and N95 masks and hopefully soon test kits coming through to try and make sure that also benefits Delaware.
Senator Chris Coons has helped connect Gianforcaro with the Delaware Emergency Management Agency and the Office of Governor John Carney, who are currently coordinating with hospitals throughout the state regarding critical resources during the COVID-19 crisis. Coons says the lack of a coordinated response months ago at the federal level to the production and distribution of personal and protective equipment has left a lot of states to their own devices to get a hold of the resources they desperately need.
There's lots of Delaware small businesses that are stepping up and making a difference in the middle of this crisis. There's great innovative companies in Delaware that are bringing to the market solutions around testing, around PPE, around data management. So my hope is that we're going to see a strong response from innovative and small businesses all over the country as we try to come together to address this pandemic.
Reporting from Newark, Delaware, I'm Michaela Austin, 22 News.